Hello students, myself Preeti Divyani, and today we are going to prove the most important theorem of reanalysis, that is Cauchy's first theorem on limits. Okay, statement is if limit n tends to infinity an is equals to L, then limit n tends to infinity a1 plus a2 plus up to an upon n is equals to n. So first of all, let an be a sequence converges to L, that is limit n tends to infinity an is equals to L. Okay, and we have to show that limit n tends to infinity a1 a2 plus an upon n is equals to L. For this we consider a sequence Bn, that is an is equals to Bn plus L. Okay, so we consider a sequence Bn, that is an is equals to Bn plus L, taking limit n tends to infinity on both sides. We get what? Limit n tends to infinity an is equals to limit n tends to infinity Bn plus L. This is L. Okay, this is L from there, is equals to limit n tends to infinity Bn plus L. This imply limit n tends to infinity Bn is equals to 0. This will come in this side, L minus L 0. Therefore sequence Bn is convergent. Now a1 plus a2 plus up to an upon n is equals to b1 plus L. Okay, we just putting n is equals to 1, n is equals to 2 simultaneously. Okay, for a1 b1 plus L plus b2 plus L up to bn plus L upon n. Now b1 plus b2 plus up to bn upon n and L plus up to n times upon n. b1 plus b2 plus up to bn upon n plus, this is nl because L is added n times upon n, n cancel, this means this plus L. Now we have to prove that b1 plus b2 plus up to bn upon n tends to 0 as bn tends to 0. Okay, since sequence Bn is convergent, this implies it is bounded also. Okay, we know that already. If any sequence is convergent, then it is bounded, and there exists a fixed integer there exists a fixed integer k such that Bn is bounded by this k for all n, since sequence Bn converges to 0, therefore for a given positive number epsilon, however small, there exists a positive integer m such that Bn is less than epsilon upon 2 for all n greater than equals to m. Okay, I have written this line by Cauchy's general principle of convergence for sequence. Okay, I uploaded this video of Cauchy's general principle for convergence of sequence. You may check it out. Links are given in the description box. Now we have mod of b1 b2 up to bn upon n. We can write it as b1 plus b2 plus up to bm plus 1 bm plus 2 up to bn upon n. This is less than b1 plus b2. We have to separate it up to m plus bm plus 1 bm plus 2 up to bn upon n. Here we can write the modulus of bn is less than k for all n. From there the sum of b1 plus b2 plus up to bm is less than mk dj upon n. Okay, from here upon n plus b, from there modulus of bn is less than epsilon by 2. So from there n minus m upon m epsilon upon 2. This is less than mk upon n plus epsilon upon 2. Keeping m fixed, we find that mk upon m is less than epsilon upon 2 if n is greater than 2 mk upon epsilon. Let m1 be any integer which is greater than 2 mk upon epsilon, so that n is greater than m1. We have mk upon n is less than epsilon by 2. Now just give it star. Okay, this is equals to less than mk upon n plus epsilon by 2. Now b1 plus b2 plus up to 2 plus up to bn upon n is less than mk upon n plus epsilon by 2 from star. Okay, from there now b1 plus b2 up to bn upon n less than, this is less than epsilon by 2. We just proved it, epsilon by 2 plus epsilon by 2. This is equals to epsilon. Therefore modulus of b1 plus b2 plus up to bn upon n less than epsilon for all n greater than equals to maximum of m and m1. 4. Limit n tends to infinity b1 plus b2 plus up to bn upon n is equals to 0. Okay, right from there. Hence a1 plus a2 plus up to an upon n tends to L as n tends to infinity. So from right here, if we are taking limit n tends to infinity on both sides, so limit n tends to infinity a1 plus a2 plus up to an upon n is equals to limit n tends to infinity b1 plus b2 plus up to bn upon n plus L. So this is equals to 0. Okay, as we proved 0 plus L is equals to L. So limit n tends to infinity of this much is equals to L. Therefore limit n tends to infinity a1 plus a2 plus an upon n is equals to L. This is the proof of Cauchy's first theorem on limits. Check out my description box. All the links are given below of important theorems and proofs. And if you like my videos, please like, share and subscribe. Thanks for watching.